In this video, we will present a wireless communication scheme based on spatial modulation with a reconfigurable antenna at the transmitter side. The demo is composed of two parts. In the first part, we will use a radio wave display to visualize the different radiation patterns of the reconfigurable antenna. In the second part, we will show how to transmit sequences of bits using spatial modulation. Let's start with the first demonstration. In this demo, a transmitter sends classic symbols on an RF cable, and the control wires are used to configure the radiation patterns on the reconfigurable antenna. Here, we see the reconfigurable antenna based on a split ring resonators that is able to generate 8 radiation patterns that are uniformly distributed. The antenna is composed of a radiating element located in the back, and we can see 4 loops that are able to generate different radiation patterns by configuring 4-pin diodes. Now we're going to use the radio wave display to visualize the 8 radiation patterns of the antenna. The display has 400 power sensors, and the received power is converted into a color following a thermal scale. Here we can see different radiation pattern of the antenna that is going to code different sequence of bits. For example, here 100. We can see that this is really stable. Each time we change the coding bits to transmit, we can see that we obtain a new radiation pattern that corresponds to a specific signature. The signature will be used by the receiver to retrieve the initial information, that is the 3 spatial modulation bits. These signatures are very different from each other, and it's quite easy to discriminate between them at the receiver side by applying simple correlations between learned patterns and received ones. Now we're going to present the second part of the demonstration. This demo consists in transmitting real spatial modulation bits between a transmitter and a receiver using the reconfigurable antenna at the transmitter side. Here we can see the testbed setup, the TX board, the reconfigurable antenna, and the RX board. We can also see that the receiver is connected to 4 omnidirectional antennas. The performance metrics of the communication, like the bit error rate or the correlation between received signals, are going to be displayed on a workstation using a GUI interface. Well, that's it. We really hope that you enjoyed the video.